Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Back up every file to an external drive or cloud and confirm the copy. Once done, identify the exact SSD model, firmware, and serial number so you download the correct manufacturer utility. Make sure the drive is connected internally rather than through a USB adapter, because firmware updates and secure erase commands need direct bus access. After confirming backups and tools, power down and prepare to run diagnostics with the vendor utility. This begins the repair sequence. You now run the manufacturer diagnostics, perform a full smart read and health scan, and save the logs. Once you have results, check the firmware level. If it's older, update with the vendor tool precisely as instructed. Do not interrupt power during this step. After firmware is current, use the vendor secure erase or SSD revert function for NVMe drives to reset NAND mapping and reclaim spare area. This combination of update and secure erase is what restores drive health at the controller level. Once the secure erase finishes, you reinitialize the SSD. Create partitions and format with your chosen file system, and make sure trim is enabled in the operating system and OSI or NVMe mode is active in BIOS. Restore your backed up data, then run smart checks and simple throughput tests to confirm improved health and wear leveling. If the drive still reports critical errors or failing smart attributes, stop using it and contact the manufacturer for RMA support, providing your diagnostic logs and SSD information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.